It's 2 a.m. Your phone glows in the dark. Notifications stack up. X, Slack, email. Your mind races. Did I screw up that pitch? Was she mad at me? What's tomorrow gonna hit me with? It's loud, even in the silence. You're not alone in this. This hum, this weight, it's familiar. What if you could stop? Not run, not fix. Just pause. Breathe. Let the world spin without you for a moment. Stoicism isn't about answers. It's about finding stillness in the chaos. Stay with me. Let's walk through this. Slowly. If this feels like you, leave a mark. Not for me, not for fame, but so others, lost in the same noise, find this pause. A quiet nod. A comment. Just, I'm here. You're at your desk. An email lands. Urgent. Your stomach twists. You want to fire back. Prove you're on it. Stop. Their rush isn't your chain. You can't control their tone, their deadline, their chaos. But your reaction, that's yours. Breathe. Read it again. Slower. What's actually being asked? What can you do right now? Nothing else matters. Let the rest fall away. You're in a coffee shop. 2 guys at the next table. Loud. Complaining. About work. About life. You feel it rising. The urge to jump in. To fix. To advise. Silence is your shield. Let them talk. Let them spill. Your words, they don't need them. Your peace, that's what you keep. Stay still. Sip your coffee. The world doesn't need your voice. Every time. It's Friday night. You're scrolling X. Someone's posting from a rooftop party. Another's got a new gig. Big title. Your me. Skis. Why am I not there? The panic creeps in. Time slipping. Slow. Their path isn't yours. Time doesn't judge you. Why do you? This moment, this breath, it's enough. Your journey, it's unfolding. Trust it. You planned a perfect weekend. Hike, brunch, that new book. Then, rain. Your friend cancels. The coffee shop's packed. Frustration burns. Expectations are traps. You built them. You can break them. What's here, now? The sound of rain? A quiet hour. A chance to read. In your car. Freedom is in the shift. Let go. Find the moment. A coworker takes credit. Your idea. Their spotlight. Your blood boils. You want to call them out. Right there. Anger is a fire. It burns you first. Pause. Breathe. Their choice. It's not your worth. Let it pass. It always does. Focus on your work. Your truth. It shows. Without a fight. You're at a bar. Friends bailed. You're alone. Glass in hand. The room feels heavy. Loneliness stings. But it's not empty. It's space. Space to hear. You. What do you want? Not them. Not the crowd. You. This moment, it's yours. Own it. You're in bed. Replaying that meeting. What you said. What you should have said. Your mind loops. Tighter. Faster. Overthinking is a cage. You lock yourself in. Step out. Breathe. The meeting's done. The words, they're gone. What's real is this breath, this quiet. Stay here. Your boss smirks. Your presentation, fine, but you shrink. Their judgment, it cuts. But it's not yours. Let go. You're not their mirror. You're not their score. Your work, your effort, that's enough. Walk away. Head high. You're stuck in traffic. Late for a client call. Everything's wrong. The world's against you. Pause. This moment, it's not your enemy. Notice the air in your lungs, the rhythm of the wipers. This is enough. Gratitude isn't loud. It's quiet. It's here. You're grinding. 9 to 5. Emails. Deadlines. Why am I doing this? Purpose isn't a billboard. It's not on X. It's built. One choice. One day. One task. Done well. That's enough. Keep going. You're walking home. A text buzzes. It's vague, sharp. You read it twice. Your mind spins. What did they mean? Stop. You can't know. You don't need to. Clarity comes in time. Let it rest. Keep walking. You're at dinner. Friends debate. Loud. Politics. Money. Drama. You feel the pull to weigh in. Resist. Your opinion. It's not owed. Listen. Nod. Stay still. Your peace. It's worth more. Your O2s. No house. Nodding. No big win. Society whispers, you're behind. Screw that. Your life, it's yours. Not their checklist. Not their timeline. Breathe. You're here. That's enough. You're in a meeting. Someone interrupts. Again, you clench your jaw. Disrespect stinks. But it's their mirror, not yours. Stay calm. Speak when it matters. Your strength, it's in your silence. You're scrolling. An ad. A course. Change your life. You pose. Tempted. But stop. You don't need more. You need less. Less noise. Less chasing. More. You. You're alone. Again. The apartment's quiet. Too quiet. You miss the noise. The people. Alone isn't loss. It's a gift. A chance to rebuild. You. What do you love? What's yours? Start there. You're angry. At yourself. That missed deadline. That dumb comment. Regret is a loop. Break it. You're human. You're trying. That's enough. Move on. You're at the gym. Sweating. Struggling. Someone lifts double. Easy. Comparison creeps in. And stop. Their strength. It's not your measure. Your effort. That's yours. Keep going. You're on X. A post stabs. Someone's thriving. Or pretending. Jealousy whispers. Let it pass. Their story. It's not yours. Your path. It's enough. You're in line. The cashier's slow. Your foot taps. Impatience burns. Breathe. This moment, it's not your enemy. Notice the weight of your phone, the hum of the store. You're here. That's enough. You're at your desk again. Another email. Another task. The grind feels pointless. Pause. Why are you here? Not the job. You. What's one thing you can do? Well, today. Start there. You're with friends. They vent. Problemspiele. You wanna fix, to solve. Resist. Their weight. It's not yours. Listen. Nod. Let them carry it. You're awake. Uch-a. Me. The world's asleep. Your mind, it's not. Worry is a thief. It steals your rest. Breathe. This thought, let it go. The next one too. Sleep will come. You're at a party. Small talk. Smiles. But you feel off. Like you don't fit. That's okay. You don't need to. Be you. The right ones, they'll see you. You're running late. Spilled coffee. Dead phone. Everything's unraveling. And stop. This isn't your story. It's a moment. Breathe. Fix what you can. Let the rest go. You're in a bookstore. A title catches you. Success in 30 days. You smirk. Success isn't a book. It's not a post. It's showing up every day for you. Put the book down. Walk away. You're on a date. They're great, maybe. But something's off. Your gut whispers. Listen. Don't ignore it. Your instincts, they know. Trust them. You're at work. A promotion passes you by. Someone else, younger. It stings. Failure isn't final. It's a bruise, not a scar. Keep going. Your time, it's coming. You're home. Dish piled. Laundry waiting. You're tired. That's okay. Do one thing. One dish. One shirt. Small steps. They count. Rest now. You're scrolling. Again. Another perfect life. Another reason to feel less. Stop. Their highlight, it's not your truth. Your life, it's enough. Put the phone down. You're in a fight. Words fly. You want to win. To be right. Pause. Winning, it's not peace. Let it go. Silence heals. More than words. You're alone, Sunday night. The week looms. Dread settles. Breathe. Tomorrow's not here. This moment, it's yours. Find one thing that's good. Hold it. You're at your desk. A text. It's short. Cold. You overread it. What's wrong? Stop. You don't know. You can't know. Let it be. Reply simply. Your irmebesh. Or 32. No big break. No viral post. The world screams, hurry! Slow. Your life, it's not a race. It's a walk. Take your time. You're in a meeting. Someone's loud. Wrong. You want to correct them. Resist. Their error. It's not your burden. Stay calm. Your truth. It holds. Without words. You're on a call. They're late. Again, irritation builds. Breathe. Their time, it's not yours. Use this moment. Think. Plan. Be ready. You're at the park. Kids laugh. Dogs run. You're still. Notice. The breeze. The light. This is enough. Gratitude lives. In the small. You're up late. Work's undone. You're behind again. Self-doubt creeps. Breathe. You're not your tasks. You're trying. That's enough. Sleep. You're with family. They push. Why aren't you? Their expectations, they're heavy. I let go. Your life. It's not their script. Smile. Stay you. You're in traffic. Again. Horn blares. You grip the wheel. And your flares. Breathe. This road, it's not your fight. Let it pass. Turn the music up. You're at a cafe. Your laptop's open. Words won't come. Frustration builds. Pause. One sentence. Just one. That's enough. Keep going. You're alone. Again. The silence. It's loud. You want connection. But stop. You're enough. For you. Build yourself first. The rest, it comes. You're scrolling X. A post hits. Follow your passion. You roll your eyes. Passion isn't loud. It's quiet. It's showing up. Every day. Close the app. You're at work. A deadline looms. You're drowning. Pause. One task. One step. That's all. The rest, it waits. Breathe. You're in bed. The day replays. Mistakes. Missed chances. Regret whispers. Let it go. Tomorrow's new. You're learning. Sleep. Your e-year-me docs. Friends are settled. You're not. The gap stings. Slow. Their life, it's not your measure. Your path, it's yours. Keep walking. You're at a bar. Someone's loud. Rude. You want to snap. Resist. Their noise. It's not your peace. Sip your drink. Stay still. You're on a walk. Your phone buzzes. You check, reflex, and stop. The world, it waits. Look up. The trees, the sky. This is yours. You're at your desk. A colleague vents. Their drama, it pulls. You listen, but stop. Their storm, it's not yours. Nod. Step back. You're up. Durdaw. M. Your mind won't kid. What if? Worry spins. Breathe. This thought, it's not real. Let it drift. Rest. You're in a meeting. Your idea. Ignored. You shrink. Again. Pause. Your worth. It's not their nod. Speak again. Tomorrow. Keep going. You're at home. The day was heavy. You're tired. That's okay. One breath. One moment. You're here. That's enough. Rest. It's late. The city hums outside. You're by the window. Still, not fixed, not perfect, but calm. Tomorrow, it'll be loud. You'll want to react, to run, pause. Come back here. This moment, it's yours. Breathe. You're enough. If this helped, even a little, come back tomorrow. Not for me, but for you. For the quiet you found. Share this, quietly. Someone else, they need it too.